Chilla's cost extremely equivalent to $0.0757 a coin in an unobtrusive manner. The present exchanged cost range, 0.0753 0.0772. Or so they explicitly thought. The earlier day close, 0.0772. Or so they generally thought. The change explicitly was 0.0015, 1.94%. Extremely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Backwards rate, United States dollars to CHZ, which truly is very critical. Chilla's value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future, and month. Chilla's cost forecast on Monday, August 7, cost $0.078, especially greatest 0.083, genuinely least 0.073, essentially in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilla's figure on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.078, greatest 0.083, beautiful least 0.073. Chilla's cost forecast on Wednesday, August 9, cost $0.076, sort of greatest 0.081, truly least 0.071, which generally is very critical. Chilla's gauge on Thursday, August 10, cost $0.077, for the most part greatest 0.082, certainly least 0.072, most certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilla's cost expectation on Friday, August 11, cost $0.077 in every practical sense, greatest 0.082, truly least 0.072, or so they in every practical sense thought. Chilla's value expectation 2023, 2024, 2027, which in a real sense is very critical. In multi-week Chilla's figure on Monday, August 14, cost $0.075, lovely greatest 0.080, least 0.070 in a sort of huge way. Chilla's cost forecast on Tuesday, August 15, cost $0.076, exceptionally greatest 0.081, especially least 0.071, truly as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chilla's estimate on Wednesday, August 16, cost $0.077, extremely greatest 0.082, especially least 0.072, which certainly is very huge. Chilla's cost forecast on Thursday, August 17, cost $0.077, fundamentally most extreme 0.082, especially least 0.072, or so they especially thought. Chilla's conjecture on Friday, August 18, cost $0.077, most certainly greatest 0.082, least 0.072 in opposition to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Chilla's cost forecast on Monday, August 21, cost $0.077, essentially most extreme 0.082, by and large least 0.072, certainly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Chilla's estimate on Tuesday, August 22, cost $0.074, most extreme 0.079, kind of least 0.069 in an in every practical sense, significant way. Chilla's cost expectation on Wednesday, August 23, cost $0.075, fundamentally most extreme 0.080, really least 0.070, which by and large is genuinely huge. Chilla's estimate on Thursday, August 24, cost $0.074, really greatest 0.079, most certainly least 0.069 in an in every practical sense, huge way. Chilla's cost forecast on Friday, August 25, cost $0.074, lovely greatest 0.079, truly least 0.069, which truly is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks Chilla's figure on Monday, August 28, cost $0.074, most extreme 0.079, certainly least 0.069 in an unpretentious way. Chilla's cost expectation on Tuesday, August 29, cost $0.074, genuinely most extreme 0.079, fundamentally least 0.069, which essentially is genuinely huge. Chilla's conjecture on Wednesday, August 30, cost $0.073, sort of most extreme 0.078, truly least 0.068. Chilla's cost forecast on Thursday, August 31, cost $0.074, certainly greatest 0.079, beautiful least 0.069, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. Chilla's gauge on Friday, September 1, cost $0.072, by and large greatest $0.077. Lovely least $0.067. Further appearance how Chilla's estimate on Friday, September 1, cost $0.072, especially most extreme $0.077 in every practical sense, least $0.067 in a by and large significant manner. In about a month Chilla's cost expectation on Monday, September 4, cost $0.073, really greatest $0.078. Exceptionally least $0.068. Chilla's conjecture on Tuesday, September 5, cost $0.070, most certainly greatest $0.075, especially least $0.065. United States dollars to CHC today. United States dollars to CHC conversion scale, fundamentally equivalent to 13.2176 coins per $1, which basically is genuinely critical. Today's reach, 12.9486 to 13.2777 in a very large way. The past day's nearby, 12.9585, which essentially is very huge. Change for now plus 0.2591, plus 2.00%, showing how today's exchanged cost range, 0.0753 0.0772 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to CHC cost figure 4. In the not-so-distant future and month. Dollar to Chilla's conjecture on Monday, August 7, cost 12.821 coins, especially greatest 13.699, truly least 12.048, kind of as opposed to prevalent thinking. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Tuesday, August 8, cost 12.821 coins, all things considered, most extreme 13.699, lovely least 12.048. Dollar to Chilla's figure on Wednesday, August 9, cost 13.158 coins, truly greatest 14.085, truly least 12.346 in an unpretentious way. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Thursday, August 10, cost 12.987 coins, genuinely most extreme 13.889 in every practical sense, least 12.195 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Chilla's gauge on Friday, August 11, cost 12.987 coins, greatest 13.889, genuinely least 12.195, which truly is very huge. In multi-week United States dollars to CHC expectation on Monday, August 14, cost 13.333 coins, genuinely greatest 14.286, sort of least 12.500, which sort of is genuinely critical. Dollar to Chilla's conjecture on Tuesday, August 15, cost 13.158 coins, certainly greatest 14.085, beautiful least 12.346. Or so they in a real sense thought. United States dollars to CHC expectation on Wednesday, August 16, cost 12.987 coins,